Nick, tell me what you're doing.
I'm hiding.
Is this an ambush game?
Ambush.
Ready, set, ambush him!
Nick, get in.
C7viper.
Welcome to c7viper Airsoft. This is just a friendly reminder that this will be the last normal show in at least 8 weeks. That's because we're starting Airsoft Elimination. We're filming this weekend and it's going to be an 8-episode miniseries, so that means 8 weeks long. We're going to take 10 players and whittle them down to 1. That player is going to win a prize pack including an AEG, a vest, BBs, stuff like that. The roster is going to be released in this video. If you want to win a prize along with the winner, all you have to do is pick who you think is going to win, go to my Facebook, c7viper Airsoft, the link will be below. Find the picture that says, who do you think would win? And then cast your vote in the picture comment. That's all you gotta do. And then, of the people that guess correctly, I'm going to pick a random winner, and they're going to get a box of crazy awesome stuff sent to them from Rapid Fire Airsoft. Who knows what could be in it, but I am going to help decide. So it's going to be some cool stuff. For this video, we did a behind enemy lines day. There are a couple games where a few players are stuck behind enemy lines to fight for their survival. Watch how it turns out. In the first game, the players didn't even know that there was a hostile on the field. They were just told something was going to happen. They had no idea what they were walking in on, so they were on high alert, looking for traps, who knows what. Turns out it was just one sniper in a ghillie suit. And the second game was supposed to be an ambush game that turned into a long, drawn-out one-on-one battle between the 2 last remaining players. Remember, leave your comments below, like me on Facebook, c7viper Airsoft, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I guarantee you won't regret it. Enough of this talking, mumbo jumbo. Let's get into the airsoft games.
You want to split up or go as one?
If we go as one, we'll probably die in
Exactly, so let's
big
split up. 3 and 3,
explosion.
and then Banana can go wherever. See anything?
I feel comfortable walking on a plate of wood.
Well, why don't everyone stand back and I'll walk over it?
Alright. Let's open the search for camp.
Double tap. From where? Thanks.
Jeff, I feel like straight ahead of you.
Go to my 12. Chris. Tiger. On the track.
You get that?
Yeah, they're still in the back.
They're still in the mining camp. They get, like, trenched in it. And then Josh went back there with them. Down.
Are you sure there's somebody out here?
Yeah, someone shot it.
Like most, yeah.
What?
Like definitely. Move in, Tiger.
He might have moved already, so why don't we go through the town and go around the backside of the mining camp?
Because we would have saw him. Give him, hold on. I at least want to check. Clear it out, Dyer.
He's out!
Clear that area.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, bud.
I knew someone was shooting at me. I'm not crazy.
You clear?
How many more do you got?
Clear. Alright, let's go back.
Hey, I'm actually on the set of the Airsoft Elimination game, and we're getting ready to do it pretty soon. Just setting up the last of everything right now. And I am here to bring you guys, the viewers, the roster early so you guys can know who's playing and then go vote on the Facebook. Just go there, find the picture that says, "Who will win?" Voting will be stopped before the first episode is put up. That way no one cheats. One random viewer will be selected from the correct comment answers, and they will be sent a box of spectacular goodies from Rapid Fire Airsoft. I've seen this box and it's worth it, trust me. It's going to be a great prize. Any one of you will love it. I'm even going to put some stuff in the box. And maybe I'll put in some props that we used on the filming of Airsoft Elimination. So here's the roster of players that will be participating in Airsoft Elimination. Those 10 players will be divided into two teams, a red team and a blue team. They will compete in challenges until only one is remaining to be the best of the best. And they will win a whole bunch of awesome stuff, including an AEG, a charger, a battery, a bag of BBs, and a vest. So what are you waiting for? Go to my Facebook, like it if you haven't already, find the picture and get voting. And watch this week's show while you're at it. So I'm going to go finish setting up these games. This is c7viper, and this is the only time you'll hear me say, out. Joe, explain to us what we're doing.
They're gonna try to ambush us,
And?
and we're gonna kill them.
Okay.
I think everyone just died. What is this? Surrogates? It's surrogates. Chris is lazy.
Stay low. Don't let him see.
Is he in the mine camp?
Yeah, it's standing way up high. It might be a distraction after all they're doing an ambush.
I'm in.
He's out!
Yeah.